After a wild night, we freaking did it. Oh my God. After the week we've had. Oh my God. Oh. Filming game this morning, but I guess afternoon. What's up, everybody? We're at Red Hill. Wherever it is, there he is. Yeah, it's hot. They got my fan going. We're just trying to survive out here at this point. But Red Hill tonight, if we have 18 or more cars, it's going to be $500 to win. I know for you guys down south that watch, that doesn't seem like a lot, but for up here up north, paying $500 to us front wheel drive guys, that's kind of a big deal. So hopefully we can get quite a few people out here. I know it's hot. I'm hot. But all right, well, we'll catch you guys once everybody gets checked in and we get to rolling here. A little family scooter ride. Really fit on here nowadays. Yeah! We're gonna go check the track after some of these sprint cars have been up here, so.
Really tall, but it's like only halfway up the track right now.
Hot lap talk.
Oh, good, honestly.
Yeah, we just ran hot laps. D had quick time. Donald had second quick. So we're at the 410s here. So the track is going to change like sometimes dramatically. So we'll see. So, but D says he feels good. It's hot. It's hot here. So I'm sure you got people down south that are probably calling us babies at this point.
Like 95 or something.
Yeah, it's hot here. What'd we just do?
We're stopped in the heat race.
Yep, we watched the race, didn't we?
Well,
Did they do good?
no, it's slow.
They were not slow, you silly.
No pollen was.
So now we're gonna run our heat races, aren't we?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Say we'll see ya after the heat races.
See you at the heat race.
Dropping in for the heat race. A lot of you don't know Dee's signature move before he ever touches a racetrack ever is gagging. We've got that out of the way, hopefully. He's probably gonna do it some more, but I missed it filming. So we're gonna go racing. We start, what, second row outside?
You know where he starts?
So we'll see how it goes. They do passing points, so we're ready. All right, we'll see you out there. Yes.
We're down the paper.
Okay.
You be good now.
All right, here you go. shaft attaches, can't see it, but where the shaft attaches to the rack for the steering. Sweet. Fixed it. We'll start at the back. Dee said, you know what? We're kind of hit the wall a little bit hard. I bet something's broke under there. So it was. So he's like, wait, let me call Travis. So we call Travis. Travis says, fix it and send it. So Dee goes running through the pits, trying to find a welder. Found one. We got our generator out here. Hooked up to a welder. Donald's under the car. Yeah, for those of you who don't know. Welding. Fixing it. And we're going to tag the end of the feature. And we're going to send it. This night has been chaos. We've got updates from down south that are chaotic. This is chaos. We are just running around. Let's get it done. So to add to that, Dee started 4th in his heat race before the flag stand, was leading the race, had the race. I mean, we were gapping. We were gapped. So that was kind of heartbreaking. We thought our night was over. Started doing research and then all of those things. So tag in the back of the feature. We'll see you guys then. week we've had. Oh my God. Ye freaking Woo! We did it. We did it. After the week we've had.
Unfortunately, the car didn't hold together for you, put you behind the 8 ball in the feature. Took you about 10 laps. You got up there and it really had to work for that.
Like finally.
And there's just this madness still welding to it by my dad.
Let's go!
There's some random guy I know his name was Welder. I can't believe he made it, bro. But yeah, that was the hardest I've had to drive this car. I love this track, man. Love this track. I don't know why we haven't even $500. It's crazy, but I gotta thank all my sponsors, man. New Lane, Real Hill Leather, Andrew Trout, Nick Garrison, my wife, my dad, little boy.
We've had a horrible week.
What?
So we've had a horrible week.
Yeah, we got, what's this picture?
Hot Mess Express.
Let's go! Finally!
Just everybody for cooking for me, man. We couldn't do it without everyone, guys. Thank you.
Walking through here, you get up to the floor, you have those 3 cars, you can put your blanket over them, and then you just kind of get your way, you force your way there, and then you have to pass the car. What's going through your mind when you see those 3 cars do it out there?
Coming every 3 miles. I don't want to try. I knew the only option was to throw a front wheel drive slider. And I stayed as far as I could to the bottom, and it just stuck in. I can't believe that was broken half. And all these guys get us back here every week. Thank you guys. And the fans, thank you guys.
Woo! Yes!
Hey, buddy.
Come on. All right, so it's the next day. We're just now doing our race recap after we made all of our FaceTimes and phone calls and all the things last night. And it kind of got away from us, time did, but
Yeah.
I guess things went well after.
Yeah, I just can't believe that control arm held on. So maybe they're tougher than I think they are at that point, but it was so bent, and I felt so good in the heat race. I don't know. I gave it like 3 to 4 laps just to make sure it was gonna, I guess, stay on or stay together, and started moving forward, and just kind of went from there.
After it was such a high and low night,
Heat could really.
just the heat race, we took off. We went from 4th to 1st before the flag stand. Had it, and then all of a sudden, just no steering, none. So
Yeah, it was our fault. Bolt backed out of the steering shaft.
So we came back,
Hit the
fixed
wall.
that, and we're like, oh, perfect. We're golden. We can run it. Then Dee's like, well, wait. I hit the wall a little hard. Let's look at that. Broke.
Broke the exact
So-
same spot it was last week.
We happen to know a few of like the modified drivers and stuff. So shout out to Justin Jones.
Yeah, Justin Jones let us borrow, in my opinion, he said it was a $45 TEMU welder.
That saved the day yesterday.
When I brought it back, he asked me, he's like, well, did it work? I was like, it welded. I was like, we'll have to see, I guess. But
And it did it. So shout out to Justin Jones for saving the day last
I'm
night.
sure Skylar will put a picture around the control arm, what it looks like. Just a little plate welded to it so it won't bend anymore.
Yeah, and so we got that fixed, and he said, you know what? So I started filming, and I'm filming D, and then I was like, oh, well,
Dad
he's
had
probably
the best
getting.
run of his
Yes.
career in a Honda too.
So I thought, oh, I'm going to start filming Donald because Dee's probably going to finish a solid 4th, coming from the back, that's good. And then all of a sudden I was like, oh, wait, things are happening. It's getting wild out here. So, all right, well, that's our recap. Shout out to our sponsors, New Bowl Lanes, Hot Mess Express, Media.
And we're going to go on that heat race mornings.
Yeah, we did run a heat race, didn't we?
Eating Clinic.
Eating Clinic.
Fleming, Travis, Fleming in general.
Everybody just that helps us out every week.
Andrew and Tori.
Yes, Nick and Andrew and Tori, not just with race cars, but with our kid also. So yeah, just huge shout out to everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It's kind of a wild one.
First win of time.
Yeah. let's keep it going.